So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Ray Fierce, and I'm so sorry that the video started like this. I lost some footage, but I couldn't let the video go to waste. Yeah, so I'm cutting the crease. In another video I will explain to you guys how I set the base and how I laid the base down and all that. So yeah, now I'm cutting the crease. I'm using the Make a Revolution concealer, the lightest one. I'm using that to cut the crease, and we're doing like a winged out cut crease, which is so freaking cool and fun. So we're doing a winged out cut crease, and you just really want to take your time cutting the crease. I really want to try this P. Louise base. It's been a couple of months since I've ordered, and I still haven't received my package yet. But I emailed them, so it should be here soon. Yeah, I like this concealer as a base, but I feel like it could be thicker. It's a bit watery or whatever. So yeah, I'm just cutting that crease, making it sharp, getting that line right and nice. You just really want to take your time and place this exactly where you want it. Now I'm going in with a white shadow. This is the shadow from the Morphe James Charles palette. I love this palette. I'm taking one of the Anastasia brushes that come in her palette and just packing that all over the lid. Not really packing it, but just kind of setting it with that white base. And as you can see, the concealer kind of mixed with the other color. If you don't want that to happen, you should wipe where you're gonna cut the crease at, like with some kind of makeup wipe or like some kind of Q-tip with some makeup remover on there. So yeah, if you want it to be clean like that. So now I'm going in and I'm placing the glitter glue in the area on the outskirts where I cut the crease at, where the wing is. And I'm gonna add some glitter on. I got this glitter from Amazon. I'll leave it linked in the description box, and also all the products I used as well. But I got this glitter from Amazon, and I like to mix them. I mixed 2 glitters to get this little sparkly color. So yeah, I'm just packing that on. You can also put a base under this if you would like, if you want a different color to show through more. But yeah, I'm going in with, I don't even know the name of this brand. I forgot, but it's called White Gold Dust. It's like some color. It's just magical. It makes anything. It's a pigment. It's called White Gold. But I'll have it as well. I'm going in with some liner, and you definitely want to take your time with this. It's not going to come over, so you just need to take your time. I prefer cream liner, but when you're using the glitter, you need liquid. This is the NYX one. It dries matte. That's why I freaking love it. Now I'm cleaning off her face. I'm prepping it. I'm using witch hazel to make sure everything is off her face, anything she came in with. And I'm going to moisturize with the MAC Strobe Cream in Gold Light, I think. Yeah, I think that's the shades. And I'm just gonna rub that in. I know it look like I'm being so rough, guys, but I promise I'm not. I'm just rubbing this in, making sure her skin is very moisturized. It doesn't matter if somebody has oily or dry skin, they still need moisture. So yeah, now I'm going in with this primer. This is my e.l.f. primer, the blurring primer. I love this stuff, guys. It's just everything. It's just so magical. It smooths out the skin really nice. You guys should give it a try. So now I'm going in with the foundation. I sped up the video because I feel like, you know, it didn't really need to be in depth, but I am patting the foundation in. You want to pat the foundation, not swipe, because you don't want no streaks, you don't want none of that. You want to pat the foundation in to get the coverage and to make sure that it's really pushed into the skin. You really want it to be flawless. You want a flawless application. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just pressing it into the skin, making sure it's all even. I'm sorry, I'm all up in the camera, y'all. So I'm using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, and I'm taking my brush. I'll leave the brushes in the description box as well. I'm taking my brush and I'm patting the concealer, like patting and tapping. Not really swiping. Yeah, I'm patting. So you just want an extra client to look up. You can use a smaller brush for this. It probably make them feel way more comfortable. But yeah, I went in with this big brush. And yeah, you just want to tap that concealer out. I placed the concealer down with like a regular flat foundation brush. And I also cleaned up the sides where the liner was. As you can see, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm cleaning up the sides where the liner is so that we can have a nice, clean, sharp line and precise. And you just want to tap and blend. Girl, blend, girl. And if you feel like you need more coverage, you can go back and add more, which you shouldn't. This concealer is a full coverage concealer, and it dries quick. That's what I like about it. That's why I'm working in sections. I just don't have it all over her face. So yeah, I'm working in sections, patting it in, blending it in. And you really want to make sure that you get it all under the eye, like, and get some coverage. As you can see, that I'm going in with a smaller brush just to fit in the corners. And now I'm going in to do her forehead. I always go over the brows because it gives the brow like a nice little highlight. I like that. And yeah, I just blend it out. Blend the forehead out really, really well, and kind of like blend that concealer into the brows so that everything could blend. Because sometimes, you put on makeup and your eye color is still coming out, or your natural color, and we don't want your natural color, okay, girl? We want the fake stuff. So now I'm going in with the contour. I'm using the Makeup Revolution and a stippling brush to contour her face, to chisel it. You can also use a stick foundation if you want. And yeah. Now that that's all nice and blended, now I'm gonna go in and set her face. And you really want to make sure that cream is blended out, and you don't want to let it sit blended out immediately. If you was using cream, it'll be still creamy enough to work with. So yeah, I'm using the Huda Beauty and Blondie, this setting powder. I love this setting powder. It does what it needs to do without making it too drying or too matte. So yeah, I absolutely love this setting powder. And I'm taking the shade Blondie, like I said, and on the outer parts of her face, I went in and set her contour. I set her contour with a shade out of the Morphe 39A palette. I'll try to list the names of the shades as well too that I use. And I also set the outsides of her face with another Huda powder, I think in gingerbread. Yeah. So honestly, I could have set her whole face with this one shade, but yeah, I wanted the outer parts to be a little bit darker. And yeah, I'm going in and setting her contour with that Morphe shade that I said. I absolutely love this shade for bronzing or contouring, whatever you want to call it. I like more of a reddish kind of contour, but not too red. I'm just placing it down. And I'm going in with the other color to sit. Now I'm going in with highlighter. This is my Artist Couture highlighter. I don't remember the shade that it's in. But like I said, everything will be in the description box. And I'm using my favorite Morphe brush. I love this brush for highlighting. It's freaking everything. And yeah. I'm going in with that dark purple shade that we use out of the James Charles palette, and I'm just smudging that on the lower lash line with the Morphe brush as well. So I'm just working it in on her lower lash line, and I'm gonna also go back in with that pink shade and also work that in. And I didn't put any black liner. I thought it was unnecessary, so I didn't. But if you want it to be smokier, you can add black liner. And you just really want to tell your client to look up so that you won't poke them in the eye and you can see everything down there and see what's going on. So, yeah. Now I'm going back in with that pink shade that we used. Our look just came out so freaking pretty and gorgeous. I loved it. I also went in. Oh my god, I'm yawning. I also went in and added some stones, and I didn't catch all of them on camera. I'm so sorry, guys, but I went in and added some stones. I just thought this was so cute, and we were going for a creative look. They were going to be mermaids, and these are all the stones on her face completed. And I just loved it. Now I'm applying her lashes. These are my favorite lashes. I'll have them in the description box. These are lashes I use on myself as well. Yeah, I love them. But yeah, I like when the client look down. It's so much easier to put on a lash. I don't like when they close their eyes all the way, because sometimes it might get stuck to the bottom. So, but sometimes clients have watery eyes, so you know they might need to close them. You just have to fix that, because you want to get closer to the lash line as you possibly can. And I'm going in with my NYX brown pencil, lip pencil. I think this is in Cool Brew. And yeah, I'm just lining her lips. And I'm gonna go in the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette and take one of those shades out of there. I don't remember the shade, but I remember when I see it. It'll be in the description box. And I'm just placing it on her lips. Once I smack them together. And then I'm gonna go and finish off with some gloss. And yeah, guys, that basically wraps up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to see more videos like this, leave a thumbs up, share the video, don't forget to comment, and just let me know what you guys want to see, what you guys interested in on the channel. So yeah, I do a little bit of everything. I upload what I want to upload. If y'all want more consistent stuff, like more of something than the other, just let me know, and I'll upload more of what you guys want to see. So yeah, I love the way this look came out. It was just so bomb and so pretty. It was so pretty. She was looking fierce AF. So yeah, and also go follow me on Instagram. It's _RayFierce, so you guys can see the beautiful work that I do post, because everything is not going to be posted on YouTube. Everybody don't like the camera, so yeah.